morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, our science. So, I'm your teacher again, Teacher Eden. We are on our fourth quarter. We are on our week 1. Our lesson for today is all about home, safe home. So, in the Philippines is the country, or the Philippines is the country that has 2 seasons. That is the dry season and the wet season. So, there are 4 types of climate in several parts of the world. That is the summer, spring, winter, and fall. So, countries like Japan, Canada, and the United States have 4 seasons: summer, spring, winter, or autumn. So, in the Philippines, many years ago, the 2 seasons in the Philippines were well defined in terms of when they were to be expected. But these days, with the global warming, the coming of rains has become unpredictable. There seems to be no pattern, so rains come and go in any given month. So the summer is much warmer now and rains come even when less expected. So why do you find the weather in the Philippines? Okay, so the weather is the way the atmosphere is behaving, which affects many human activities. So compared to climate, weather is the daily condition. So the climate has a longer time frame. So stay dry and safe during rainy days by staying indoors. During typhoons, class suspensions are declared by the government and school authorities of protection of the children like you. Home should be source of safety and comfort. They should be safe from floods and roof leaks so that whenever it rains, you and your family will be dry, comfortable, and safe. Window watch. So while in the safe and comfort of your home, it is nice to watch the gentle pouring of raindrops from the windows, with some drops landing on the window glass itself. This you can do without really drawing close to the window. It may not be safe to stay near window when the rain comes with the lightning. It is also not safe to turn on TV set with an antenna outside, since it will attract lightning bolt. And when the sun is up, it is good to sit by an open window watching happy scenes outside, like the plants soaking up the sunlight and people strolling. So children like you love sunny days when it is not too hot, because it's fine to play outside the house. It is also fun to have a picnic with mom and dad in the park on a sunny day, especially in the early mornings, hours when the heat of the sun is just right. Okay, have you recited the poem below, or poem the Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Okay, that's the poem. Okay, stay safe at home. At talk and activity at the lesson, your home should be kept free from floods. It rains. Talk to your parents about the situation of your house. With rains, it's heavy and continue for a long time. So discuss how can protect your house from entering the floods. So the flood waters getting inside your house cannot be avoided. Then care about be done to make sure that there is no electrical outlet installed within the level that is danger of being reached by the water. Appliance must be areas with water from the flood cannot reach them. Extension cords should be also with a level that free from floods waters. Okay. So, Pag-asa government agency issues typhoon warnings in the Philippines. So, the PHIVOLCS and the DRMC announcement are usually given through text and message and through radios and television announcement. Okay, the fire prevention. March is the fire prevention month. But every day we must all be conscious about preventing the possible or occurrence of the fire. So, I will the safety tips using electricity and electric powered. I will read to you. Avoid octopus connection, meaning plugging too many gadgets, appliances, and lighting system all in one outlet. Sa accident prevention, the most common scenes of accident at home are the bathroom, the kitchen, any places where staircase is located. It is important then to be careful in your every step in going up and down any staircase. Okay? So that's all about home, safe home. Okay? So do you understand our lesson, children? Okay. So if you have questions regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Thank you for your